coming directly at us. Absolutely directly at us. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, preach. Hello. Oh, swim away. There we go. They want us to give them a free ride, Si. Give it some juice. They want to ride. They want to swim. They want to swim off the bow. You won't run over them. I shit you not. You cannot. Here we go. Woo! Oh, look at that! That's fantastic. Hey guys. More than anything else, I love playing. Yeah. So this is our erstwhile skipper, Simon. Wave to the camera. Adamski. Keza. Wave to the camera. There we go. Oh no, he wants to show his guns. Look at that. Oh, hey, hello. Scully.